Hello guys, welcome to second video of this section, making our projects list, view model and live data reactive. Recap: in the last video, we have implemented the reactive design to our project listing sample project. We have looked into the observable, observer and how to subscribe them. In this video, our focus will be to implementing the RX design in our sample project, which we have developed in section 2, video 3. In section 2, video 3, we have implemented the live data and view model to show the project listing. And in this example, we will add RX design patterns. And we will also implement the sophisticated design pattern so that we don't need to implement more boilerplate code. So let's start with our practical implementation. This is our sample project which we have developed in section 2, video 2. If you haven't watched that video, please go first watch that video and then come back. Okay, to start with RX design, first we have to add line dependencies as we have added in last video as well. So let's go. Let's add RX dependencies. Implement IO ReactiveX RX Java 2 RX Android 2.1.0 and RX Java 2.2.2. To use lambda expression, we need to add Java version 1.8 compatibility. So to add compatibility, we need to add compile option, source compatibility, Java version 1.8, target compatibility, Java version 1.8. Sync now. Now your environment is set up to use RX Java. Go to your project repository. So in this example, we will update get list and use RX design pattern, and we will also add sophisticated design pattern, so remove boilerplate code. So go back to get project listing. So now we will not return any value, so its return type going to be void. We don't need this counter anymore, and let's add observable IO dot. Now instead of create, we will use range, so we don't need for loop anymore. It's Java operator. Range has two parameters. First parameter is start value and next parameter is number of time iteration count. So 5 dot subscribe. Instead of subscribing observer separately, we can just use new observer, and we have defined our subscriber in this subscribe, so we don't need two different function for observer. And in this on next, we will do our main working, which is creating list. So copy, and there you go. And for this listing, we will make it global. There you go. Now we have added an onComplete. When all the iteration 5-time iterations are completed, it will call automatically onComplete function. And onComplete function, we will set data dot set value and this item to our data, and now we will set this data to our view model live data listing. So let's make it static, so it will be available in project repository. Main view model dot project listing is equal to data, and in here we don't need this anymore. That's all. And it's giving us error because we haven't put this and don't need this anymore. And in here, we instead of I, we need to pass integer because our parameter is integer. Now run. Now just need to run our code. Now run your code, and once you run your code, this would be our output. And to see live data in action, just close app and open it again. Don't kill it, just press back and open it again. First time you will see 5 items, next time you will see 10, and next time 15. It will be continuously increasing. That's how you can see real-time live data, so that live data is getting whenever your app become live. This is the main feature of live data. Conclusion. Now our design is more reactive and sophisticated. We have removed a lot of boilerplate code. So our next topic is going to be making our presenter reactive.